Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a dash line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. I use pen tool. You can use line tool as your wish. I use the pen tool. Do not use fill. Stroke color. Select your color. I use color black. Click the drop down and select dash line. Press enter and click anywhere for straight. Hold shift click and click again, click anywhere, curve, hold shift, hold alter, hold alter. Now we can see this, draw a dash line, increase the size. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.